مجمع الأندلس التعليمي، تعلم عصري ملهم بهوية وطنية وقيم إسلامية.
بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Welcome back to our new lesson. Today we are carrying on with module 4, What Happened. We have a reading on page 52, a text of Robinson Crusoe, and then a grammar on the same page, forming adjectives from nouns. To start with the value. قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم: لا إيمان لمن لا أمانة له ولا دين لمن لا عهد له. In English, one who doesn't keep trust is without belief, and one who does not fulfill his commitments is without religion. That is why الأمانة هي صفة النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم الذي لقب بالأمين، وعليك أيضا أن تكون بنفس الصفة أمينا في كل مكان وحين. In English, honest, to be honest. وأول أمانة بعد دين الله عز وجل بلادك قطر أمانة. So to start, books, lot of books. Why do we read books? Well, we read books to understand more, to discover the world around us, to learn new ideas, or to learn about old things that happened in the history. This is why. What are the different types of books do you know? There are several types, right? أنواع كثيرة من الكتب، صح؟ For instance, أول كتاب وأهمها هو كتاب الله, the Holy Quran. And then we have science books, where you can find science like mathematics and physics. And also we have story books, story. And this is what we are going to discuss, storybooks. To start, in story we have characters, شخصيات. They can be people, they can be animals, and they can be things. شخصيات, characters. And also we have the setting. It's the time and place. So, like this here, there is a story here. Where? In Sahara, mountain. When? Day or night? Summer or winter? So it's at night, and maybe summer, maybe autumn. Second picture, it's on the beach, daytime, in summer. Second picture, the story here is in winter, night time, mountain. Great, well done. Here I invite you to open your book on page 51, and we go to our text, Robinson Crusoe. Together, let's read the text. I'll give you 5 minutes to read the text. Read thoroughly. Here we are on page 52, and here is the text. From the pictures here, what do you think the story is about? We have here a man on the beach, and we have a parrot, animal. We have a ship here. It's like it's broken and sinking. And we have, it's like an island. You started to have the idea of the text. After reading it, you should know what is it about then. Let's read it together.
4C. 1. Read.
Robinson Crusoe. For 12 days, the strong winds carried us in different directions, and we expected the ship to sink. Then one of the men shouted, "Land!" The wind was still blowing hard, but we all ran out to sea. At that moment, the ship ran into sand. We couldn't get back out to deep waters, and it was dangerous to stay because the waves were hitting the ship hard. We decided to take the small boat and get to shore. We were almost there when a large wave, taller than a mountain, turned our boat over. Suddenly, we were all in the sea. I just saw the shore and swam towards it. I swam until I felt sand under my feet. When I reached land, I found I was all alone. All my friends were lost forever. But where was I? Were there any wild animals around? I had no clothes, no water, no food. How could I survive? My situation was difficult. Night came. I climbed into a tall tree to hide, and I fell asleep, tired, sad, and confused. The next morning was sunny, and the sea lay calm and blue before me. To my surprise, the ship was now close to the shore. Perhaps, I thought, I can find some things on it to help me.
Well done. The story is very exciting.
4.
And it's very interesting. It's about a man whose name is Robinson Crusoe. His ship was about to sink. He left, and with his friends, his team, sailors, a wave turned the boat over. He woke up on the beach alone, spent a night there, then started thinking about how to survive. Let's answer some questions now. Where is the main character, Robinson Crusoe, at the beginning of the extract? He was on the ship, or in the sea, or on land? Well, go back to the first paragraph and answer. If your answer is at the beginning of the extract, the main character is on ship, so it's correct. Where is he at the end of the extract? When we say extract, it means the text. It's part of the text. Where is he at the end of the text? You can see he is at the end of the extract. The main character is on land. Well done. Very good. Now you enjoyed the famous story of Robinson Crusoe. You can go and read about it. After reading the story and enjoying it, let's do activity C. You can write on your copybook the possible answers. So first, what was the weather like at the beginning of the extract? I can help you with this. Strong winds, so it means it was windy. There were strong winds. Number 2, who saw land first? I can help you. Read this. Yes, one of the men on the ship. Number 3, why did the man leave the ship? It was dangerous to stay because the waves were hitting the ship hard. Yes, because the waves were hitting the ship hard and it was dangerous to stay. Number 4, what happened while they were going to shore in the small boat? Read this. Yes, a large wave turned their boat over. Turn over يعني قلبه وأغرقه. Number 5. What happened to Robinson Crusoe's friends? Were they with him at the end? I was alone. They were lost forever. Why was his situation difficult on the island? Because, yes, he didn't have water, food, and clothes, so it was difficult for him to survive بدون ماء أو لباس أو طعام. من الصعب أن يبقى على قيد الحياة. Number 7. How did he feel? He felt he was tired, sad, and confused. Number 8. What did he decide to do the next day? So it is the last question. It means the answer should be at the end of the text. And he decided means in his mind, in his words. This is what he said. I can find some things on the ship, to help me. He decided to go back on the ship, which was close to the shore, and find some things to help him survive. Well done, gentlemen. It was really a joyful story, but with a sad ending. But we still need to read it to find out how did he survive.
مجمع الأندلس التعليمي، تعلم عصري ملهم بهوية وطنية وقيم إسلامية.